Meaning of Latino.
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 Latino. The term Latino typically refers to people from or with ancestry from Latin America, which includes countries in Central and South America as well as the Caribbean. The term is often used interchangeably with the term Hispanic, but there are some differences between the two. Hispanic typically refers to people from or with ancestry from Spanish-speaking countries, including Spain itself. However, not all Latin American countries are predominantly Spanish-speaking, and not all Spanish-speaking countries are in Latin America. Overall, the terms Latino and Hispanic are used to describe people who share a common cultural and linguistic heritage and are often used in the United States to refer to people of Latin American origin.